I've mentioned this many times, and I do mention it all the time, that you've got to set up conversion tracking. Otherwise, it will be impossible for Google to get you the conversions which you are looking for, especially when you go on automated bidding. Once you've had 15, 20, 30 conversions and you are running your campaigns manually, switch it over to your target CPA or target ROAS or any other kind of automated smart bidding. Google will know exactly what you are looking for, and it is going to try its best to get you those conversions at that price point or below. It doesn't matter whether how small the conversion is, whether it's an email sign up, somebody has viewed your pricing page, somebody made a call, made a purchase, any kind of conversion which you want. It will help you with your optimization. With brand campaigns, I would go a bit broad because you are targeting the top of the funnel traffic. So what I tend to do when I'm setting up my conversion trackings, I set two types of conversions, one as the micro and one as the macro. So the micro conversions are somebody stayed on my website for 5 minutes or more, let's say, visited multiple pages, clicked the video button and viewed my video for 50% of the time of that video, and these kind of micro goals which I'm looking for. I need more of these people on my website who are interested and engaged with my content and not just bouncing off after 5 seconds. And I can filter those out through Google Analytics when I'm doing my remarketing. So this is what you want to do, is to set these up, and obviously the main conversion would be somebody making a phone call, filling in a form on your website, or making a purchase, or you may have some other conversions which you can set up as well.